Hey scholars, so today's video is going to be this last portion of mathematics review, which is necessary to do a lot of chemistry. So we're going to multiply and divide fractions, and we're going to multiply and divide exponents. And when you're able to do this along with scientific notation, you're going to be in really good shape for the stuff that's coming up in chemistry, actually in the next section. So, multiplying and dividing fractions. Well, multiplying fractions is actually quite easy. So we have 3/4 times 1/9. All you do is you multiply across the top and across the bottom of every fraction. So the top of the fraction is called the numerator, and the bottom of the fraction is called the denominator. You do 3 times 1, and you get 3. 4 times 9 is 36. And if you can, you reduce, and that's 1/12. So you can divide that one by 3 and divide that one by 3, and you get 1/12. Let's do another one. 8/9 times 2/5. Okay, so again, you just multiply across the top, the numerators, and multiply across the bottom, the denominators. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 5 is 45. And it's not divisible by 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. So I think these numbers are pretty much reduced as much as you can. So that's how you multiply by a fraction. So how you multiply fractions. So let's go on and divide fractions. Well, if we were to take 3/8 and divide by 2/9, well, the way you do that is you take the reciprocal of the second number. And then multiply. That's the whole thing, nothing more. So you have to know what a reciprocal is. A reciprocal is basically the inverse of a number. The reciprocal of 2/9 is 9/2. And when you do that, all it does is it changes the divide into a multiply. Really, that's it. So you do 3 times 9, which is 27, and 8 times 2, which is 16. 27 over 16 can't be reduced anymore. There's your answer. Let's try another one. 9/4 divided by 4/7. So now you can take the reciprocal of the second number. So you do 9/4 times 7/4. 9 times 7 is 63. 4 times 4 is 16. And there's your answer. Okay? So now we're going to go on to multiplying and dividing exponents, which again are some pretty simple rules. You take 10 to the 3rd power times 10 to the 5th power, and when you multiply, you add the exponents. So you get 10 to the 8th. Again, when you take 10 to the 8th power times 10 to the 12th power, all you do is add the zeros. So you're going to add the exponents, and you get 10 to the 20th power. So remember, the only time you can do this is when the bases are the same. The bases, in this case, are all 10s. And you're going to see a lot of that in chemistry class. So next, we're going to divide. So you take 10 to the 3rd divided by 10 to the 2nd. So if you add when you multiply exponents, you subtract when you divide exponents. So it's 10 to the 1st, or 10. 10 to the 10th divided by 10 squared is 10 to the 8th power. So that's it. That's how you multiply and divide exponents. And earlier we went over multiplying and dividing fractions. Good luck.